I'm so excited. I got this wireless microphone from Rode. I'm gonna unbox it now and we're gonna test it. Well, the first test starts right here because I'm recording this unboxing using my camera's microphone. So after I unbox it, I put the microphone on and we can see the difference in my voice, and you can tell me in the comments below whether it made any difference. Obviously now I'm very close to the camera, so I could still use my camera to record my voice, but if I'm further away I would need something like this to be able to record. But even for close distance, this microphone might be a better quality. That was one of the reasons I bought it. So you can see the seal is on the side, so let's remove the seal first. So we take this out and then we can just, guys, pull it. Wow, I don't know, they spend lots of money on packages. Do I really bother about packages? I don't know, I'm not that type of person who cares about packaging, but I like when it's easy to take things out. Like here, tear here. Well, okay, if I tear it, can I return it if it's not working well? Probably I can, but let's try it. Okay, I pull it, it comes out, and then you open it like a book, and here it goes. Oh, this is really nice, it feels good. Quick guide, even before you open they give you a quick guide. How clever is that? TX, RX. So this is receiver and this is the transmitter. So it says what's on, what button turns it on, where is the microphone, where is the connectivity, where is the digital panel, all good stuff, you know, all good stuff. Where the wire goes in. Okay, we open it. Number 1, number 2. Open this. Yeah, I definitely can see a lot of scratches on the surface. And then inside the box you got 3.5mm jack, you got the windshields under the manual, I guess, and we got a nice bag. Wow, I like the quality and I can feel that this would protect my microphone. And on the side you can see wires, 1, 2 USB chargers. You can see this is the most typical USB charger. Actually this is same as my Sony phone. Yeah, it's the one that goes into my Sony phone. So that's good, because for my Sony phone I just had 1, so now I got 2 more. I got now 3 in total. But this part of the video I will be speaking using my Sony camera and not my Canon camera. So the sound quality and the video quality is a bit different. But now I'm talking with you with the Canon and using Saramonic microphone. So this is the receiver, and this one without any display is the microphone. And you can see here, this is where the microphone is. So let's connect the receiver to the camera. So let's put it up. Oh, it holds securely and nicely. This is where the 3.5mm jack goes. Easily goes in, and you put the other one right in here. So both of them are now connected. Now we have connected the receiver and the transmitter is here. To turn it on, in the front you can see a button in this shape. You just need to press that, hold it for some time, and it turns on. If you can see here, it's trying to connect a symbol like a Wi-Fi. On the transmitter you can see the same button, and you need to press and hold that, and the lights turn on. When it is connected, you can see when I speak the sound level goes up. In order to control the sound level, you need to press this button at the side. So if I press here on this corner, you can see the level goes up. So this is the highest level, this is the lowest level, and this is the middle level. So it can go up to 3 different levels. Back to the lowest, it's really sensitive, so I don't see any sense of recording with anything other than lower. It would be great if you could go even lower than what it is, because as I said many times in this video, it records my inhalation. This button is for linking the receiver with the transmitter, and on the side this is for charging USB. The buttons on the transmitter are as follows. One of the light is for the pairing and the other light is for the battery. This is the microphone. This is a port for connecting The lavalier, it doesn't come with a separate lavalier, you need to buy it separately, and similarly it got a USB charge on one side. Another drawback of this compared to ceramic is the clip doesn't open as much as you want it to be. I feel like it's not as easy to open the clip. Other than that, it feels nice. You see when I'm talking, it shows the level of my voice. Also, it shows two different batteries, one for the receiver and one for the transmitter. Both of them are pretty low, so I need to put them for charging. But before that, I want to test it. So now is the time to test this microphone. It's on. You can see the two lights are on, and on the receiver it catches my voice. The distance I'm talking now is around 3 feet, and I'm gonna walk to the end of this hall and then back end of the garden, which is around 30 feet distance. So let's start walking. As I'm walking, I'm talking, and if you still can hear me, that means we still got the connection on. So while I'm walking towards the outside, there will be a bit of a wind, so that would be a good test to see whether with the wind it works. I'm lowering my voice a bit here because it's a public space. I don't want to talk too loud when I'm outside in the garden. There are birds. Okay, the wind is not very high now, and I'm still obviously trying to see whether this is really good, because there is a lot of advertisements about this product, but I'm not really sure it delivers what it says on the package. Just to give you a sense of distance, I'm walking now back with the camera in my hand. So this is the distance. Sorry about choppy movements, but yes, I'm coming back. This other camera is the one that's filming me, and I'm standing here. So I'm back now to where we started. Again, this is the lowest gain setting. I set it up. I don't really like the quality of this. It's not very reliable. I feel like sometimes it's okay, sometimes it's horrible, sometimes it catches too much noise. I can't go anywhere higher than the lowest setting. Probably I shouldn't touch the transmitter as much as I'm doing now while I'm talking to you, trying to explain the quality of this product, because it's a big investment. It doesn't come cheap, so you want to make sure the equipment that you buy is really worth the cost you're paying. Some of this whole clip on the review on this product was shot using my Sony RX100 camera. Some of it was shot using ceramic microphone, and now obviously I'm testing using the actual microphone. And you can watch my channel. In my channel I use both the microphones to try to understand myself which one of these two microphones really works the best and which one doesn't, because I almost made my mind now to return this Rode microphone back to Amazon, because I'm not very happy with the quality of the sound. I feel it again catches too much of my noise. Like when I'm breathing, when I'm inhaling, I feel as it records the sound of my inhaling, which is annoying, which is really annoying. I'm not really bothered about how long it can take me to. I'm also at the point that I might ditch overall the wireless. Here I just want to show you how much noise it records. It actually records my inhalation. So when I'm breathing in, you can hear the sound. For example, I play and listen carefully to the noise. Using you see when I'm breathing in, you could hear like that sound, and it's clearly shown in here, this level of sound that's been recorded using this microphone, that it shouldn't really catch that sound. Like if you play the same in ceramic, this would be flat and there won't be any sign of me breathing in. So for Rode, for me, this is the biggest drawback. It's a drawback that I really can't fix and I can't ignore. Maybe there would be a fix if I would put the microphone a bit more away from my mouth by putting it maybe on my pocket, but then I don't know whether it will catch the surrounding noise more, which might be a worst case scenario. So if I put it away from my mouth, that means it would have a higher chance of capturing the sound from the surrounding rather than just from me speaking. It has got a 7-hour battery life, so you will not run out of battery for 7 hours, which is a good thing compared to Saramonic, which is 5 hours only. Another feature is that it range, according to the package, is around 70 meters, so that's a really long distance, and we tested for 9 meters and it worked perfectly. The signal didn't get lost. So a couple of other points worth mentioning is that this microphone works with 2.4 gigahertz frequency. That means you would not need a license to be able to run this microphone. So if you go anything over that, when you go to different countries, you might need a license to be able to run this microphone, which can be cumbersome for YouTubers, and you want to blog and you want to travel with this microphone to different parts of the world, or even in your own country. You would need a license to operate that. That's one of the benefits of having this microphone, that you don't need a license for running it. I have watched a lot of reviews on this microphone, and all of them said this is gonna be a very good microphone. There was even a guy who said he never would buy Rode again, but then he made another video with this microphone and said he has changed his mind and he would buy Rode microphone again just because of this Rode Compact Go. But I don't know, like it's really misleading, because the one I got, I really don't like it. It's I'm definitely returning this to Amazon, and I'm very annoyed from all these YouTubers who made these reviews about this microphone, saying this is a brilliant microphone. As you saw in this video, there is a lot of noise that this microphone captures. There's no settings that I can play with to correct this. At the moment it costs £149. Original price was £185, which is equals to 166 euros, or in US dollars it's $161. What microphone you guys use and what you guys recommend, put that in the comments below. And I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe. I need more subscribers, then I will be able to make more great videos for you guys. I will spend more time creating better. I always try to make my next video better than my previous one, so let's help me achieving that by subscribing, and I hope to see my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.